everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Pinterest picture not showing issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So that can be caused because of the internet issue and the update issues as well. So first thing first, you're going to check whether your internet is good or not. If it's not good, then go ahead, switch to your cellular data or any other network that you prefer. Then you simply go to Pinterest and it should appear finally over there without any issues likewise. Now let's say if it still doesn't work, then you can go to your app store and see whether your Pinterest needs an update or not. Go to search bar, type in Pinterest and wait for it to load. And once you've got your app, you can see it needs an update over here as well. Tap on this update and let it update, which is simply reinstalling with the new updates, which will also minimize all of the recent errors you have been facing. Once it has been done, you can go ahead, open it up, and it should work out fine. Yeah, once you're done, you will be able to go ahead, open it up. If it doesn't work, go ahead, simply uninstall the app itself or reinstall it, and that should also help you guys. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.